Hey everybody, it is Nico here with a quick tutorial on how to add Bitmojis to your stuff, whatever it is, slides, syllabuses, etc., easily on your computer, not having to futz with your phone. So if you don't have the Bitmoji extension for Google Chrome, I highly recommend it. Go and check up here and see if you have this little green box with the Bitmoji icon. If not, navigate to the Chrome Web Store, search for Bitmoji, and you can download the extension. This will enable you to use Bitmoji in Messenger if you use a Mac, also in your Gmail, and you can just copy and paste them for use wherever. So I'm working on editing my syllabus right now, and I no longer dye my hair. So I'm going to delete this, and I'm going to click on the Bitmoji extension and search for Word, right-click, copy image. You can also save it if you want to download it, and paste, resize, and oops, grab the wrong thing, flop it wherever you want it to go. It's as easy as that. So just click the Bitmoji button, search for whatever Bitmoji you like, and copy, save as needed. Hopefully that was helpful. Go forth and Bitmoji your stuff. It is a great way to use Universal Design for Learning by reinforcing key concepts with a picture, which is worth 1,000 words. Take care, everybody. Hope you learned something.